Hey guys, so I recently just made a video with my new exhaust for the Tenere 700. It's the Dominator MX2 exhaust. In the video I said that there was no dB killer or silencer. I was actually wrong, I didn't even notice it somehow, but actually it does come with a dB killer here, and it is actually a lot more effective than I would have thought. Like I said in the last video, I still thought it was too loud, so I end up getting another dB killer off of Amazon. This one I like because it has like an end cap here, and then you can actually adjust it with this screw here and slide it down depending on how quiet you need your exhaust to be or how effective you want your dB killer to be. Of course, that's going to affect your power and the motorcycle from breathing better. But anyways, I end up getting that. So I figured since I got a new dB killer, I would make a video with no dB killer or silencer. And then comparing that with the stock dB killer here that comes with the exhaust, and then this one I bought off Amazon, and see the difference between all three. Okay, first up is the exhaust and muffler with no dB killer or no silencer. Stock dB killer. Okay, same thing. I'll do it without the stock dB killer. Now with the dB killer. Okay, now I'm going to install the dB killer I bought off Amazon with the end cap on at the very last notch here, and we'll see how that sounds.